Eat natural foods for health. Banana, watermelon, reduce stress. Lemon, apple, coconut, carrot, mango. Skin, carrots, apples, vitamin A, good eyes. Pineapple, garlic, ginger, relieve coughs. Coconut, avocado, cabbage, help diarrhea. Cabbage, garlic, onions, gut health. Cucumber, orange, watermelon, hydrate well. Water, beans, tomato, cucumber, kidneys. Avocado, beans, garlic, onions, heart. Tomato, sarsop, carrots, beans, prostate. Beetroot, carrot, cucumber, boost red blood cells. Watermelon, carrot, banana, egg, nuts, healthy. Eggs, fish, beef, bones, immunity. Fasting watermelon, good. Orange, cucumber, healthy. Exercise often. Read, eat eggs, brain. Incorporate tips.